Ro Rhoden.
Hi, I'm Joe Rhoden.
And welcome to Raising the Roof with Ro and Joe.
Are you having your first roof replacement?
Here are a few things you should know to be ready.
Make sure to have all vehicles out of the driveway
And out of the garage.
so you won't have any delays in your day.
You can be home while your roof is being replaced.
Just know it will be loud.
So I recommend not. Go to the zoo.
Turn off the TV loud so you don't have to hear the noise.
It's perfectly safe to be inside your home.
Just remember, outside is an active construction area.
While we pick everything up
And keep your space clean.
during the project, you might want to keep your kids and pets inside.
On the topic of dogs,
Roofers tend to look up at the roof.
and not down at our feet.
Picking up your dog's waste before your project,
That will be appreciated.
turn your sprinklers off.
Working in a swampy area isn't beneficial.
To you or the roofer.
We are here to help you.
If you have any questions,
Don't hesitate to ask.
thanks for watching.